this video, I'd like to share with you my outstanding experience with the laser pen for moonlight and starlight device. There are many different laser pens on the market. The unique thing in this device is I can use it with any color, with any wavelengths for treatment. We mentioned that red and infrared give the best penetration, but there are situations where you want to work with other colors as well. We talked before already, we can use any of the lasers on a CW mode, on a continuous mode. We can adjust the output power stepwise depending on the clinical situation, the age of the patients. We will go on these topics in each individual disease later on. We use low-level laser photobiomodulation nowadays for more than 5 decades. There are no reported side effects by class 3B laser, as we call these. However, strongly advised or even legal required, we have to wear protection glasses, the therapist as well as the patient. So I may just start with the red light. It's very, very easy from the handling. And now you see the irradiation by which you can treat, in this case would be, for example, an acupuncture point or inflammation of the Ritz arthrosis of the subtle joint of the thumb. So there are many different indications where you could work like this, point by point. I'll stop it. And then I may change to another color. I switch off the red and switch on the green light. Of course, I have to put the optic fiber on the outlet for the green light. And you see it's very rapidly performed. And now we are ready to start again. So I've put on my protection glasses again. And now we can irradiate the area we want to treat with green light. And this is, of course, suitable for all the other colors as well. I could do it with blue light, with infrared light, and most important for transdermal irradiation, as we mentioned, the blue light irradiation for anti-inflammatory processes. What are the huge advantages of using a laser pen like this? As I just demonstrated, for specific indications, we need different colors, different wavelengths. And normally, you would have to purchase a huge variety of different laser pens. So this is the most economical way to work with a laser pen. All the colors you have set in your starlight device, you can use for clinical purposes. I just demonstrated at this point the classical laser pen, but it goes with a huge variety of different devices, of different applicators. There are applicators we can use for periodontitis, for severe inflammation in the mucous membrane of the mouth. There are outstanding devices we can use for transurethral irradiation, for intrarectal irradiation. There is almost no indication where we can't supply specific adapters to bring the photons as good as possible into the area where we want to bring them. What are the huge advantages of the laser pen in combination with the starlight device? First, I can choose any color that is preset in the device. I could work with red light, green light, blue light, and I don't need to purchase a laser pen for each indication. So it's the most economical way if you want to work with a device like this. And it's not only that I can irradiate a specific area precisely, a specific acupuncture point precisely. I can get different applicators for the laser pen, shaped like this if I have problems in the oral cavity, severe parodontitis, herpes infection. I can use it for gynecology. If there are inflammation in the vaginal region, then we would use it together with a photosensitizer most likely. We can use it for intrarectal irradiation, so for proctology would be a good indication. We can use it for urology. There are specific applicators that go to the laser pen by which we can irradiate the urethra or even the prostata. So it's the best valuable device for a huge variety of different indications. And as in anything with a moonlight and starlight device, I can adjust the output power to the area that I irradiate. So to summarize, what are the indications for the use of a laser pen with the available different wavelengths with the available different colors? ENT, density, gynecology, urology, proctology, and of course you can use it for precisely irradiation of acupuncture points. I'm sure you'll get happy with the moonlight and starlight device. Make yourself informed. Best wishes, your Dr. Michael Weber.